Hello students, welcome back to our next video session. Today we are going to start with our new chapter, that is life in tropical and subtropical region. Now let us see the location of the tropical and the subtropical region. So the tropic lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn respectively at 23.5 degree in both northern and southern hemisphere. Then comes the subtropic. The subtropic are geographically and climate zone located roughly between 23.5 degree and 38 degree parallels in both the hemisphere. Thus, the subtropical region, they usually lie beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in both the hemisphere respectively. Now let us see the exact location of the tropical and the subtropical region. So the orange color over here, it denotes the tropical region, whereas the blue color denotes the subtropical region. Today we are going to focus only on the tropical region. In tropical region we are going to study about the life in Amazon basin. So we are going to learn about the climate, the vegetation, the birds found over here, the animals found over here, the food crops, their houses and their people. So first let us start with the tropical region. So the Amazon river flows through the mountains of this tropical region. Apart from that, there are numerous tributaries that join this river to form the basin. And this river basin drains the portion of Brazil, part of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia and some part of Venezuela. Climate. Now let us see how is the climate in the Amazon basin. In Amazon basin the climate is very hot and wet. Humidity is very high in the atmosphere, making the weather sticky and uncomfortable. Apart from that, it rains almost every day in the afternoon and the duration of day and night is almost equal. The average temperature in Amazon basin is around 27 degrees Celsius. Now let us learn about the vegetation. Since it rains heavily in this region, the forests are very thick and the forests are so dense that the sunlight does not reach the land. Hence the land over here is damp and dark. And in this region we can only find shade tolerant vegetations like orchids and bromeliads. Now let us see the birds that are found in this region. They are toucans, hummingbirds and the birds of paradise. These birds have colorful feathers and their oversized beak make them very different from the birds commonly seen in India. Apart from that, these birds also make loud sounds. Animals. Animals like monkeys, sloths and ant-eating tapirs are found over here. Crocodiles, snakes and pythons are in plenty. Some of the species of snake that are found over here are anaconda and boa constrictor. And many insects and species of fishes including flesh-eating piranha fish is also found over here. Now let us learn about the crops that are grown in this region. So the people in Amazon rainforest, they mainly grow tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. Apart from that, the people over here practice slash and burn method of farming. Manioc and cassava is the staple food of the people in Amazon rainforest. They also have potato, queen ant and egg sac in their diet. And the cash crops that are grown in the Amazon rainforest are coffee, maize and cocoa. Houses. Amazon being a rainforest, it provides a lot of wood for the houses. So the people over here live in thatched houses shaped like beehives and their apartments are like houses called maloca with a steeply slanting roofs. Now let us learn about the people of the Amazon rainforest. So, with the passage of time, the life of the people of this region is gradually changing. Previously, river was the only means of transport to reach the heart of the forest. But now, because of the Trans-Amazon Highway, which was made in 1970, transportation to inaccessible part of the Amazon rainforest became possible. And apart from that, aircrafts and helicopters were also used to reach all the previously inaccessible places, and the native tribal people of the Amazon rainforest are called as Yanomamo and Kayapo. Now let us quickly summarize what we have studied in our today's class. First, we studied the location of the tropical region. So the tropics lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, respectively at 23.5 degree north and south, respectively. Then the climate over here is hot and wet, and the land in this area usually remains dark and damp. And the birds that are found in this region are toucans, hummingbirds, and the bird of paradise. The animals that are found over here are monkeys, sloths, and the ant-eating tapirs. And the people in Amazon rainforest, they mainly grow tapioca, pineapple, and sweet potato. Glossary. First is tributaries, a river that flows into a larger river or a lake. Damp means slightly wet. Plumage is the feathers that cover a bird. Then bills of the bird is the beak of the bird. Then indigenous means domestic or local. Thank you. That's all for today. We'll see you soon with the next part of the chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe.